Alright, so today I'm putting on the Mountain Vista Fab steering box stabilizer. I just got the regular, not the ultimate, because I don't really do a ton of like hardcore off-roading. So first things first, gotta take off the cover that blocks the sway bar there. Alright, so let me take that off real quick. Alright, so to get this shield off, there's two little access holes right here, and inside there and there. It'll focus. There we go. Sorry, it's shaky, one-handed. Just gonna take a 15 mil, just feed it up in there, get it seated. And yeah, so I'll unscrew them most of the way, leave them on there just so this doesn't fall. It's already loose. And then we'll be able to access the sway bar bracket there where we can mount the steering brace. Alright, so we got the cover off. That gives us room to get to the sway bar. So we'll undo these and drop it down. Undo those two, drop it down. Then the mount will go around your steering box right there, just at the top of the pitman arm. So pretty straightforward stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down, and actually let me get the stabilizer and I'll show you. Alright, so here is the stabilizer. Very solid piece, I really like it. Like the quality on that, come on. You cannot beat that, especially for the price, dude. This thing's legit. But time to put it on. Alright, so for these bolts here, 15 millimeter, and just loosen up. And then we're going to get to this side, do that one there. I think undoing this, it should just drop down so that we can just kind of slide it in and then bolt these back up into place. Alright, now with both brackets undone, you got a lot of room here. So, yeah. The next step, not really too sure. We're going to need to route the brace over there. Underneath or above the radiator line, so it'll slide in here. But I also have this right here, so I gotta decide if I want to push that up and have that go above the box, or if I should just kind of like go in between the two of these into here. So let's take a look. I don't know if you can see that, sorry. Not really good at videos, photos are my thing, so it's the first install video I'm really doing. So yeah, there we go. Now I can kind of see it. So I'll just have to see which way I'm going to route it through there. But yeah, coming along pretty easy. Alright, so we got it kind of up here. It's chilling right now. So what I did is, you want to start by putting this side, the passenger side, in first, because you're going to slide it in through here. You can kind of see it right here. So those lines are going to go underneath. And with this kit, you don't need to change out your radiator hose. The ultimate one you will need to, because it's going to be a lot bigger of a brace. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish bolting it up. I think I'll go ahead and bolt it to the steering box first, because that way it'll hold it in place a little bit while I get the rest of it put on. But yeah, you can see what it'll do is it'll just slide around the box itself like that, and it mounts into your sway bar location like that, and this will keep your box from flexing while you turn when you have upgraded like tires, bigger tires, stuff like that. So yeah, time to bolt it up. Alright, so I got the driver's side hand tight. As you can see, that is mounted up there on the steering box. And then this will go in here underneath your sway bar. Still gonna tighten up the other side, but once I tighten up the other side, then I'll come back and tighten up the brace itself, because it's just hand tight for now. It'll be 14 millimeter on both sides, so either 2 wrenches or wrench and a ratchet, whatever, wrench in the socket. So yeah, pretty easy install. Almost done, just gotta button it up. Alright, so everything is all done, all buttoned up now. So you can see, it's a little dark. You can see the bracket that goes underneath the sway bar mount right there. It attaches around the steering box right up here. Right around there, and then the bar itself runs kind of parallel to the sway bar, but a little bit further up. Holy shit, a little bit further up, and then goes above the radiator hose, and then mounts to this side right here. The only thing I'm wondering about is this line right here. Like, I don't think it's gonna hurt it there, because it's got a little room for play. Up here, it does rub on the top of the bar though, but you know, like over time we'll see how it goes. If need be, I'll just add one of these little rubber guards to it. But yeah, that's it. Super easy install. I mean, this is like start to finish, probably like a 10-15 minute job. But just for the peace of mind, like if you have bigger tires on your Jeep, and just for like stability reasons, safety reasons, your steering box flexes when you turn, and this brace is going to help prevent a lot of that. So yeah, bang for buck, can't really beat it. Now, all that's left is time to go test it. Be sure to check out Mountain Vista Fabs. They make great stuff. I have this, the shift linkage that I need to put on, the cup holder, and the dash bar from them, and all of it is just insanely good quality, especially for the price. Powder coating is super nice, so definitely go check out their website and pick up some parts. Alright, so update this shield. It's pretty heavy duty. So that goes right here to protect your sway bar. This mount on both sides does not fit. So I'll be running without this, which I don't think it's a big deal. It's not going to be that bad. But the mounting holes are here and here, and this part of it blocks where this would go. So let's see, which one was it? So it's the front ones there that won't fit with it. If you wanted to, I'm sure you could modify this, like cut this section of it out on both sides. So like this tab here, you could cut that out and get it to fit. Right now I'm not going to worry about it. I don't do anything crazy heavy duty off-road. So I think I'll be okay without this. I might later on do it though. So if I do, I will update the video, but otherwise, yeah, it is all done.